Hey everybody, Sean Gavin with RHG Tucker. Wanted to take a couple minutes and talk to you about this upgrade kit we have for our three-stage systems. So the Tucker three-stage carts typically come with a single carbon filter mounted to a bracket as your first pre-filter. We've got these upgrade kits for those carts that take it from a single carbon to a dual housing sediment carbon combination. The benefit of this is the sediment will capture a lot of the large particles in the water and will increase the life of your carbon and chloramine filters by capturing that larger particles and not allowing it to clog up your carbon and chloramine filters. So on this we have the inlet garden hose brass swivel, and on the outlet you've got a metal swiveling quick connect fitting for our 1/2-inch tubing. So essentially you would remove the bracket and housing from your three-stage cart. There's a hole pattern here that lines up on the frame of your cart. You'd use the existing hardware from the prior cart, attach this to your cart at that time, run your 1/2-inch black tubing then into this outlet here rather than the one on your carbon. Some of the carts might have a little bit of trouble reaching from the fitting at the bottom of the RO housing into this based on the wider bracket, so we are including a length of 5 or 1/2-inch black tubing to go from here to your connection if yours is not long enough once you have this wider bracket in place. So keep that in mind. There's an extra tubing in there for that reason. Your wrenches that work on your current three-stage cart will work on these, so no need for any other hardware. They come preloaded with the sediment and chloramine carbon filters from us here at RHG Tucker. So check it out on the website at www.tuckerusa.com. Thank you very much.